Hello, I'm Alicia. Welcome to our 9-part video series, 76 Proven Tactics to Drive Traffic to Your Website. Today we'll be talking about email marketing. So you've got your site all set up, but you're unsure how to drive traffic to your website. This video series is devoted to showing you 76 tried and true methods to just that. We're covering topics such as promotion, SEO, social media, and more. But before we get too far, remember, subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications for future helpful content, such as videos in this series. And I want you to know that in the description, we're going to have loads of resources that'll dive deeper into many of the topics I'll be presenting today. All right, let's get started. If you're doing anything online, you need an email. No matter the size of your business or website, being able to email your audience is vital. Seriously, half of the world's population uses email. With so many people reachable via their inboxes, email is one of the best ways to drive traffic to a website because your email list is already interested in your site. Traffic is almost guaranteed as you're talking directly to your list, and emails drive targeted traffic to the pages you choose. Tactic number 13 on our list is, you guessed it, email marketing. Email marketing is a fairly inexpensive but effective way of reaching your audience. Aside from following our email marketing best practices, here are some essential steps to take for increasing traffic with email marketing. Build a subscriber list as soon as possible. Choose the right email marketing software. Keep your emails to the point. Write eye-catching subject lines. Add social sharing buttons to your emails. Add a CTA or call to action. Don't send too many emails. Make sure your email template works on mobile and don't get marked as spam. Content upgrades or lead magnets are resources you give away in exchange for an email address. In the description below, you'll find a link to some of the best lead generation WordPress plugins to check out. If you get the right upgrade, your audience will gladly sign up to your email list in order to get the free content. However, you've got to understand your audience and know what they would want. Perfect Keto does a good job of this. Some content upgrade examples you can use are checklists, cheat sheets, quick start guides, ebooks, templates, and free courses. A welcome email series is a sequence of emails that are automatically sent to your subscribers when they first opt into your list. Just remember, it's your chance to make a good first impression. This can go a long way in increasing your website traffic as well as increasing your subscribers. Drift does a good job with this email that gets straight to the point and directs new subscribers to popular content. To start leveraging the power of email for traffic, you need a way to collect email addresses via your website. You can use a sidebar or in-content sign-up form like this. Another way could be adding a demo version of your products or tools and ask for an email address to get access to it. The key aspect here is giving people a compelling reason to sign up. Take some of the tactics from this series and apply them to your site, and you'll be well on your way to increasing traffic. Try them out. See what effect they have on your site traffic, and if one doesn't work for you, try another. And if it does, double down and do more. Which tactics have you tried? Where have you seen success in driving traffic to your site? Let us know in the comments below. Kinsta's WordPress hosting can speed up your website by up to 200%, and you'll get 24/7 support from our expert WordPress engineers. Let us show you the Kinsta difference. Try a free demo of our My Kinsta dashboard at demo.kinsta.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications for the remaining videos in this series, and of course, other tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this.